Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to this last week of this half term. It's lovely to see you all. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. I know there's been lots going on this weekend with places open to go and have a nice something to eat somewhere. The weather's been okay on Saturday, so I hope you've had a lovely weekend. And there's going to be lots going on this week. So first of all, I'd like to hand you over to Harriet's challenge.
Good morning everyone, hope you're having a lovely Monday. So today I've got a little character here with me, and what I want you to do is create your own character. So it could be whatever you want. It could be a monster like this one here, or it could be a person, and just think about what your character looks like, how many eyes they have, how many teeth do they have, that kind of thing. So you could draw your character if you want to, and then think about where your character might live. So do they live in a forest? Do they live in a house? What kind of house? Do they live in a cave? Whatever you can think of. And then who they live with. Do they live with their friends? Do they live with their family? Do they live on their own? What special powers they might have? Can they fly? That kind of thing. And then think about what they do with their day. So think about building a bit of a story. So from all that information, I want you to write a really good story, or tell a really good story. You don't need to write it down. And if you want to share that story with me, please do. I'd love to hear it. So enjoy. See you later.
Thank you very much for that, Harriet. That was fantastic. Now we're going to hand over to Miss Wilshaw's weekly word. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Mrs. Wilshaw's Word of the Week. The word of the week this week for grasshoppers is option. An option is something that you can choose to do in preference to one or more alternatives. For example, Luke didn't know which option to choose. The word of the week this week for Shinobi Ninjas is repercussion. If an action or event has repercussions, it causes unpleasant things to happen sometime after the original action or event. For example, there would be repercussions for the guilty person. Grasshoppers, can you match these words to the definitions? Shinobi Ninjas, can you match these words to the definitions? That's all for this week. See you next week for Mrs. Wilshaw's Word of the Week.
Thank you, Miss Wilshaw. And last week, Chelsea was doing lots of signing regarding animals. Well, this week, I'm going to hand over to Chelsea, and it's all about pet signs. Thank you.
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're all feeling okay today and that you've all had a great weekend. So following on from last week's assembly, when we started to learn some signs around the theme of animals, particularly focusing on animals that are on our school farm, today I thought we should learn some signs around the theme of pets. Pets. So first up we've got dog. You'll need your index finger on both hands and your middle finger. Turn your hands around, you're just going to make a downward movement for dog. 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 And then using the same fingers, if you turn them back around and make a V shape, coming outwards from your face, we've got cat. Cat. Next up, fish. For fish, you're going to need your dominant hand on its side, and you're going to wiggle it away from your body. Fish. Fish. Then we have guinea pig. For guinea pig, you're going to need the letter G, and then you're going to use your clenched fist on your dominant hand and go around your nose in a circle shape like we did last week for pig. Guinea pig. Guinea pig. Then we have lizard. For lizard, you're going to need your index finger on your dominant hand, and using your non-dominant hand, you're just going to go up the middle of it, making a zigzag shape, up your palm, lizard. Lizard. Then we have hamster. For hamster, you're going to need both hands. You're going to have them open in a sort of clawed shape. And you're going to come inwards and out on your cheek. Hamster. Hamster. And last but not least, we have snake. For snake, you're going to need a V shape using your index finger and your middle finger, and you're just going to come out from round about here on your face. Snake. Snake. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all around school soon. Bye, boys.
Thank you, Chelsea. Okay, now I know there's been lots of work being going on in terms of a wellbeing area that's been made, and I know Dean and Mick have been busy getting the area cleared and sorted, and it looks fantastic. So I'm going to hand over to the wellbeing area.
Hey, what we're doing now, we're just creating a nice outside area for staff to come out, just have a nice chat in between, you know, work and stuff. A few planters, some climbing planters for fence, and hopefully it makes a difference.
And remember,
Enjoy.
Stay safe.
Welcome to our wellbeing garden that we have created last week. It's great to come out here and have a coffee and a catch up and a little meeting. It certainly is, and the hanging baskets are beautiful, the planters, the new tables and the plants over there. It's lovely, and the sun is in the perfect position to come and have a coffee.
Okay, thank you for that. Now, I know what we're going to go over to next is some students and Mr. Hill have been to the Dalby Forest. So I'm going to hand over to Matt Hill. Thank you for that, Mr. Hill. Okay, I know that they've been really busy down in the nature garden last week and the week before. They've been planting so much, I know, particularly spuds. That's what Mr. Godfrey calls them anyway. So I'm going to hand over to the nature garden.
Today we are planting potatoes. These are the potatoes we have planted.
Billy Joe Cook. Well done, Billy. And Student of the Week in Roundtree for trying hard to stay on track, producing higher quality work and presenting himself in a much more mature manner. That goes to Stephen Mulcahy. Well done, Stephen. And Student of the Week in Sharon. What an amazing week. Aidan participated well in our Quality of Life Day where he walked and interacted well with the public and his peers. He's completed all his work to a high standard and has worked hard to build friendships. Well done, Aidan, on an amazing week. So this goes to Aidan. Well done, Aidan. In Priestley, for asking for help when needed and for displaying maturity when discussing emotive subjects. Well done, Lavelle. In Hargreaves, this goes to a student who has put lots of effort into learning time this week and has socially interacted with the other boys in class, bike riding and trampolining. Well done to Zihan. Student of the Week in Adams, for engaging with his schoolwork and working independently and for being excellent on the Wellbeing Walk. This goes to Bailey Keast. Well done, Bailey. In Nightingale, for trying to make new friendships. Well done, Jack Schofield. And in Clancy this week, he's managed his behaviour well and regulated himself well this week. Well done, Tyler Jebson. And Student of the Week in Whittaker, for entertaining us all with his guitar and singing this week. And this goes to Joe Notter. Well done, Joe. And Student of the Week in Best, for his use of Makaton and signing the flavour of ice cream he wanted and getting out of the minibus without hesitation. Well done, Sibby. And another one in Boothroyd, for exceptional conduct and showing great resilience on the curriculum drop-down day at Yorkshire Sculpture Park. And this goes to Faizan. Well done, Faizan. And again in Boothroyd, for exceptional conduct and showing great resilience on the curriculum drop-down day at Yorkshire Sculpture Park. This goes to Kai Coleman. For exceptional conduct and showing great resilience again at the Yorkshire Sculpture Park. It sounds fantastic. This goes to Cameron. Well done. And another one for exactly the same thing at the Yorkshire Sculpture Park. I wish I'd have gone then. Goes to Travis. Well done, Travis. Oh, and House of the Week. The majority of boys have done really well trying new things. They've done School of Rock and staff have done a great job supporting the lads on and off site. So House of the Week this week goes to Newton House. So well done, Newton. Okay, lots and lots there. And do you know what I've forgotten this morning? And I will tell you all, I've forgotten the red bucket. So I'm hoping somebody will just collect the red bucket for me and as if by magic it will appear. And once I've got the red bucket, we're going to pick out a few tickets for you all. And then we'll be able to select and be able to collect your prizes from downstairs in reception. Okay, so I hope you've all been busy this last week, but this is the last week this week before we break up for half term, and I hope you've got lots of nice things planned for next week. It looks like the red bucket is going to appear shortly, and as if by magic it did. Okay. So we're going to pick out some students. Thank you, Mr. Godfrey.
You are welcome.
Okay, so the first one is Tyler Jebson. Well done, Tyler. Your prizes will be downstairs for you to collect. And let's pick one more. And the next one goes to Jack Fox. Well done, Jack. And the last one goes to, oopsie, got two stuck together. And the last one goes to Zihan. Well done, Zihan. So if you would like to collect your prizes from downstairs in reception. Okay, well thank you ever so much everybody. I look forward to seeing you around school. Have a fantastic week and I'll see you soon. Bye.